Welcome everybody. Very excited to have everyone here today at Mansion House.
We're here at Antler's European Founders Conference, and we brought together 50 of our best founders and all of the investors in our network. And the reason we've done it is because we think collaboration is key, and we want to set our founders up in the best way so they can succeed.
Today, roughly in attendance, we have about half of the European early stage venture ecosystem represented. We have around about 20% of the capital that goes into the innovation all across Europe represented here.
Antler is one of the world's most active early stage venture investors, but we are also one of the most selective. Every year, 160,000 founders apply to our residencies around the world. We work with a tiny percentage representing the very best of the next generation of tech founders.
Today we want to look into one of the probably oldest dilemmas in European tech. And that dilemma is the question of why it continues to be so hard for us Europeans to be building truly industry-defining global tech giants.
It's been a really valuable experience because as an early stage founder, you are constantly focused on building, and you're really heads down on the day-to-day. So it's just so lovely to have the opportunity to gather together with other like-minded founders.
Having Antler as a partner is definitely a very unique experience since they do have a very global setup, which definitely delivers a unique possibility or opportunity to meet additional investors, other founders, and really brings in fresh new ideas and also just expands the network.
Building a startup is hard, and obviously Antler have made it a lot easier by helping us on this journey. Over the last couple of days, we've had access to workshops on fundraising, on truly building your startup and hearing from experts in this industry. So I think the community that they bring together that really offer support and help has really been valuable.
I've been a founder myself, and I know that in the day-to-day it can be very, very lonely. And so it's amazing to step out of the day job, come to a place like this, meet your peers, meet others in the ecosystem, to really create a support network, to understand why you're doing this, what's the mission, keep you determined, keep you pushing through. Yeah, there's no better days like this, where we see that there's a support network around you to set you up for success.